Do you want to know how to make a realistic digital portrait like this? This course will tell you how to paint this painting step by step in a non-destructive way. In this course, you will learn all about blocking out values, eye painting, nose painting, Photoshop's multi-document control, lips painting, gradient maps technique, depth of field effect, identifying features that make the painting disproportionate and fixing them in liquify, coloring, skin texturing, lips texturing, eyes texturing, eyebrows and hair painting, some touch-ups. And this will be the final result. You can find this painting course on my ArtStation store.